Good morning, everyone. I will teach you about shapes and the space. There are many shapes in the geometry, but I will discuss the type of 2D shapes triangle, square, circle, and rectangle. First of all, I want to check the prior knowledge regarding the shape and space. Go to the Mentimeter and give answers of the questions. Now, what are the 2D shape? A two-dimensional shape can be defined as a flat figure or a shape that has two dimensions, length and width. Two-dimensional or 2D shapes don't have any thickness. There are the two type of 2D shapes, regular and irregular 2D shapes. Our 2D shapes can be classified as regular based or irregular based on the length and the interior angles. A two-dimensional shape is said to be regular if all of its sides are equal in length and all of its interior angles measures the same. A two-dimensional shape is irregular if all of the sides of unequal length and all its angles are unequal measures. Now, what is circle? It is made up of curved line. It has no corner or edges. It is a set of all those points in a plane whose distance from the fixed point remain constant. Some real life examples of the circles are the coins, wheels, pizza. A circle consists of various parts like radius, diameter, circumference, and so on. Now, what about the properties of the circle? Circles are completely round and made up of single curved line. The circumference is the length of the boundary of circle. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the boundary of the circle. The diameter is the line segment that goes straight across the circle through the center. It is the longest possible line that can be drawn inside the circle and twice the length of the radius. Now, what about the square? Square. It has a four sides, four angles, and each measuring 90 degree. It has four vertices. Some real life example of squares are a loaf of bread and a chessboard. And properties of the square: all sides are equal. For example, there is a structure of the rectangle square and there are the four sides PQ, QR, RS, and all of these sides are equal. Side PQ is parallel to RS, side PR is parallel to QS, and all four internal angles measures 90 degree. Now, rectangle. It has four sides, four vertices, and four angles, each measuring 90 degree. The opposite sides of the rectangles are equal in length and they are parallel. Some of the real life examples of rectangles are the tops, blackboards, and the cardboard. Now the properties of the rectangle. I show the picture of rectangle in which it shows that AB and DC are equal, side AD and BC are equal. Side AB is parallel to DC and side AD is parallel to BC. All four angles measures 90 degree. Now it's triangle. Triangle. It has the straight sides, three angles, and three vertices. Some real life examples of the triangles are the traffic signs, pyramids. Now, properties of the triangle. A triangle is a closed shape with three sides, three vertices, and the three angles. It is a polygon whose interior angles add up to 90 degree. Now, here is the group project. I organize the activity on the Kahoot. Go to the link and give the answers of the questions that I discussed in the classroom. And thank you so much for listening me.